Scotty, so the first thing I saw when you stepped down the airport was a big smile on your face when you first came here.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Absolutely. Well, a lot is like home to me now. So coming back here, it brought a lot of memories, and I was just happy to be back, man. It was a great feeling stepping off the plane and getting back into this awesome weather and the great people, and seeing us, getting ready to see my the old friends I used to have. So it was just a great feeling being back.
Let's start from the beginning. How was the summer league back in July?
It was great, man. Being able to have an opportunity to play for an organization like Miami Heat in Miami Heat Summer League, it was great. I had a few good games, and they liked what they saw out of me, and hopefully in the future we could do business.
Right after the summer league, you signed with the Anadolu Efes, and since you're there, how is it in Turkey?
Turkey is nice. It's a really big city, and as far as the team is concerned, we're doing well. We're in the top 16 right now, and and things are going well. I mean, we're just looking forward to just winning more games and continue to getting better and better each and every day as a team, and me as the same thing as an individual.
What's the main difference between living in a lot and living in a big city like Istanbul?
Probably just what you said, man. Just living in a big city like Istanbul, and you know, a lot is small. Just everyone is kind of together. But you know what I mean. As far as the basketball is concerned, I just come to every day and do my job. You know what I mean. Step on the court and play my best and give injury every day.
So, what's the main thing that you miss here in Eilat?
The main thing, man, is so much. I mean, I could start with the weather. I mean, the great food, and then just the people, man. The love I used to get from here is amazing, and the support and the fan base here is. I always cherish that, and I'll never forget about it.
Are you following Eilat this season?
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm looking forward to them against the game against Haifa this week, and I've been following them all season. So, look, I've definitely been watching Oded and the team and see what these guys are doing.
Do you know any of the players here?
I know a few of the guys. I saw Yancey playing high school. We graduated like around the same time, and Kevin, I got to play with him a few summers back.
Last night you went out. People went nuts seeing you. How does it feel?
It felt great, man. It felt great. Just being around familiar faces, seeing people that I hadn't saw in a few months, and it was just great, man. I had a good time, a lot of laughs and a lot of smiles.
Nice. And so we have an agreement. The last season of your career will be here in Eilat?
Last season of my career might be in Eilat.
And in terms of NBA, how do you estimate your chances to play in the league?
I think they're good. Like I said, I'm just continuing to get better and better every day. I'm getting a lot of feedback from certain places, not only the NBA, but high-power European teams. So, I mean, the future looking bright, man. I'm just going to continue to just move forward and progress each and every day.
Okay, Scotty, on behalf of the city of Eilat, we love you.
And I love you too, man, a lot. Love you, man, to my heart.